Hi everyone, this is Mr. Dinh. As many of you have probably heard, we will most likely not be back before the end of the year. And I'm going to start recording these videos more often, and these are not videos about what you need to do for your assignments. These videos are more likely to update you on how life is for me and how you can contact me if you need to. I know this is a really hard time for everyone involved. Like really, it sucks. I'm stuck at home most of the time. I've tried not to leave the house unless I go to the grocery store, and I really hope you guys are doing the same. Don't leave the house unless you have to. Don't see your friends. Don't see your family, because right now you're putting a lot of people at risk if you do. You don't want anyone to get sick. And I was reading the news the other day, and they said the peak is probably going to be within 2 weeks or so. Anyway, this video isn't always to discuss coronavirus. I just want to let you know what I'm doing when I'm not working from 9 to 4. Most of the time I try to respond to you from 9 to 4. Like on email, and I send out parent squares all the time. After 4 o'clock, I try to watch TV with my girlfriend, play with my fat dog. I've been playing Animal Crossing on the Switch. I have Discord for my mentors, which I will extend to the rest of you, just so we can all, you can always chat with me if you need to. I respond usually within 30 seconds or so. My only rule for Discord is please remember to change your nickname to your first and last name. If not, I'll kick you within 20 minutes or so. Anyway, besides that, I'm going to send these videos out a lot more frequently. I've been trying to work out. It's been terrible. I miss going to the gym. When I get back, I might not be able to crush an apple anymore. Such is life. Playing Animal Crossing? I don't know if any of you have been playing Animal Crossing, but it's like this game where you fit on an island with a bunch of animal villagers. Which sounds crazy at first, but most of the time just collecting furniture and, fishing, catching bugs. I've told some of you that I've been playing Warzone. I finally won my first game a few nights ago with a few friends. God, I'm really slow. I am not as fast as I used to be. I'm probably terrible at Super Smash Brothers now, too, honestly. Yeah, besides that, I really do miss going to work every day. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know I miss you. See how you're doing. And have a wonderful day.